number 6 from our source materials, Rabash says, if a society is established with certain people, and when they gathered, there must have been someone who wished then to establish specifically this bunch. Certainly he would have sorted out those people that were suitable for each other. In other words, each of them had a spark of love of others. But the spark could not ignite the light of love to shine in each. So they agreed that by uniting, the sparks would become a big flame. Hence, now too, even when he is spying on them, he should overcome and say, as all of them were of the one mind, and they must walk on the path of love of others. When the society was established, so it is now. And when everyone judges his friends favorably, all the sparks will ignite once more, and again there will be one big flame.
That's why we understand. We need to understand. We need to believe that it is the Creator who assembled us. There is none else besides Him. No one no one is even moving even his tiny finger if it's not coming from the heavens, let alone assembling such a group that will work on attaining the Creator and give Him contentment and attaining Him. So we have to understand that each and every friend, woman friend, each and every one as one, were chosen by the Creator, and that's how we need to relate to each and every one, like to the Creator. The friend should appear in my eyes in this way. The Creator gave him to me as a gift, because by connecting with Him, I can attain the Creator. Hence, there has to be here the greatness of the society, the greatness of the friends, and from them to the greatness of the Creator, then it will be attainable. How do we develop this sensation? It's truly this fact that we are a special society, connected from above by an upper force, where each and every one was brought from afar, placed him here, gave him a desire, patience to be here together with us. How should we then thank the Creator for giving me such friends? Please. Do we express gratitude to the Creator for bringing me such friends? Not the other way around. Clear? Thank you. Thanks to the Creator that He brought me you.